Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I've got something special to show you all on my desk. These are a premium quality truly wireless earbuds. They're quite expensive than the normal ones but offer some amazing features for the price. These earbuds are made by Soul Republic and are called the Unboxed Air 2.0. You've got a picture of the earbuds on the box, looks very attractive, and they're also IPX4 rated sweat and rain proof. Let's see what else is written on the box. Oh, you can actually see the earbuds from here. You've got the black color variant, they also come in 3 more colors. At the back side, you've got one more picture of the charging case. So as I've told you, these are truly wireless stereo earbuds that offer exceptional quality sound. They're IPX4 rated rain and sweat proof, provide up to 3 hours of playtime. Both the earbuds have mics so you can use them for stereo communication. And one more thing is, the charging case has a USB out so you can also use it as a power bank. So those were all of its features. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut the seal on the box. I want to thank Soul Republic for sending me this product for review. Okay, let's take them out. Quite a unique box packing we've got here. So here are the earbuds, they come nicely packed in the box. We'll check them out later. First let's see what else do we have in the box. Looks like there's another box inside. Let me take it out. There we go. It says enjoy the evolution of a headphone. Wow, the packing looks very nice. Oh guys, this card at the top is actually a manual. Just make sure to read that. And here is the charging case for the earbuds, which the company calls as a power case. This power case may look small, but trust me, it packs quite a punch. The body is made of high quality aluminum and looks very nice. It's got a battery capacity of 2200 mAh and can charge your earbuds more than 15 times. That means you'll get a total of 45 hours of music playtime if you charge this power case once. That is totally insane. Let's keep it aside and see what else do we get in the box. There's a book over here. It's a quick start guide. Holy moly, this thing is so thick! Make sure to check it out for all the info on the product. A packet of extra ear tips in different sizes, and a USB cable for charging the power case. So these are all the items you got in the package. Now let me take these earbuds out and show you how they look like. So here are the Soul Republic Unboxed Air 2.0 truly wireless earbuds. They're very tiny and super lightweight. Love the color. It's got a special design with grooves on the body to completely grip the ears and not fall even while running. The build quality is good. You've got a multifunction button on both of them with the Soul Republic branding on the top and charging contacts at the bottom. Both the earbuds have mic on them and the quality of the ear tips also look good. Feels soft and durable. And here's the Unboxed Air 2 power case. The build quality is top notch, it's made of metal. You've got the Soul Republic branding here, and on the right side you've got a flap under which you have a USB out to charge other devices and a micro USB port for charging the power case itself. And this is how the inside looks like. It's got 2 slots to place both the earbuds, and as soon as you place them, they automatically start charging. You can see a red light on both the earbuds. The power case design is very nice. It's sleek, compact, lightweight, and you can easily place them in your pocket and carry them anywhere. Now let me tell you about the comfort and the audio quality. The Unboxed Air 2.0 are super comfortable to wear for long time usage. The noise isolation is excellent, and they're also IPX4 rated sweat and rain proof, so they're also great for gym and sports purpose. Talking about the audio quality, I was blown away by the audio. These truly wireless earbuds offer exceptional quality sound. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocals felt warm and mellow, and I could clearly understand all the dialogues. The high frequency response was also very nice. It was producing silky smooth treble. Coming to the bass was good. It was not overwhelming at the frequencies but was producing right amount of bass. These earbuds had a flat frequency response. The distortion was also very minimum even at max volume, and the audio output was also high and satisfying. On the overall, these are one of the best sounding truly wireless earbuds I've ever used so far. They also have a microphone, and the mic quality was really nice during call conversations. Now let's talk about the battery. The battery life was also excellent. These earbuds offer a continuous music playtime of around 3 hours at 80% volume level, but the power case has a built-in 2200 mAh battery and can charge your earbuds more than 15 times. That means on one full charge, you'll get around 45 hours of music playtime. And charging the case took around 1.5 hours. One more awesome thing is, this power case also works as a power bank to charge your other devices. So that was my review on the Soul Republic's Unboxed Air 2.0 truly wireless earbuds. These are premium quality earbuds and the sound quality is great on them. The build quality is nice, had no issues with connectivity, and the battery life was also excellent. The only thing it could have was volume control on the earbuds. That's it, rest everything else was great. They cost around 10,000 rupees and are definitely worth the price. I'll just leave a link to them in the description box below. You can check them out there. So that was it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.